This is the guy of Georgia Outdoors, and in this video we're headed out to do some duck hunting in Reelfoot Lake. Our good buddies with Guided Outdoors put this trip together for us, and they can book one for you as well. Well, you can stay to the end of the video for some details, but they book hunting and fishing trips all over the country, and they for this one they put us together with Blakely's Guide Service on Reelfoot Lake. We stayed in their lodge, and the accommodations were wonderful, beautiful lodge. There was plenty of room for the 8 guys, plus even more. And but the real thing we went for was for hunting, and the accommodations, the guides, the calling, everything was perfect. If you would consider hitting that subscribe button, maybe you can look at it now and click it at the end of the video. It's up to you. We put a lot of effort into these videos, and it really helps out when people hit the subscribe button, when they share them, when they like them, leave a comment. Really helps out with making content like this. But right now we're going to go to Reelfoot, Tennessee, and we're going to pick up with the duck hunt.
We're at Reelfoot Lake, Tennessee. We're here at the boat slip, Blakely's Guide Service. We're gonna get loaded up. We're gonna get to the blind.
All right, it's Monday morning, very early. Our temps today are about 29 degrees. We got about a 15-mile-an-hour wind coming out the north. So there'll be some gusts where it'll get a little chilly, but thankfully we're gonna be in a nice setup, something new for me and Blake and Donnie, really. Big blind, it's gonna have a kitchen, recliners, place you can get out of that wind, warm up a little bit. But we'll get on the birds today. I got a feeling.
Appreciate the kindness.
Sit by me, buddy.
Keep you warm?
Yeah.
We're good, we're good.
Yeah, you dummies. He said some of you go to the front. Not all, you know.
I thought he said a ton of you go to the front. My bad. That's on me.
We have to.
If you need to take care of business, there you go. Donnie will be on that thing in just a few minutes. That is what you call nature's plumbing. You can drop a decoy right down there if you need to. So I would imagine in the next hour, Donnie will be trying that seat out. It's a bathroom with a view right out that way.
All right, so day one, we went to the pimp house. Get in there, we pull right up into the pimp house. It's an overhang, fully brushed in, and you step out and you open up the door, and there's a full living room, kitchenette, TV, Wi-Fi, I mean, the whole 9 yards. And now you're looking in the middle of Reelfoot Lake. So they've got stuff all around. They've got about 2,000 decoys around this with spinners, the water ducks, the shooters, the flappers. They've got it all. They cook you breakfast, they cook you lunch. You know, you're there till about 3 in the afternoon, but it's a full service deal. The blind is fantastic. It really is an all-inclusive hunt. I mean, it really is top notch.
Remotely falls anywhere over here. Me and Zach will fight for it. Shoot them. Yeah,
They on the water.
they've landed. Smack them.
Get him.
Yeah, he got him.
Huh?
He got him.
Did you?
Yeah, that dead duck. Over here, guys. Over here. Water turkey. Don't do that.
Them right there?
Yeah.
Hey, about 125 plus 4.
Yeah, I see. He's turning. He's coming down.
Yeah, he's gonna get in
He's
here.
turning. He's turning.
He's in the sun now.
Yep. He's coming. He's coming down.
Stretching.
See? You see? Hold on.
For you?
Hang on.
Hang on.
I didn't get none of that.
Make sure he don't get up.
There's two of them went under.
Hey, we on the board, boys.
One of them went under. Coming up. Ooh, shot the decoy.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't
I got
me.
proof.
No. Dang.
No!
See ya.
He missed it.
That was our dog! Yeah, he got it. Y'all didn't see it in his
I
play.
thought he got him at first, but I don't see him on it now.
Come on!
Taps, man. Hit him.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Somebody pre-shot. Yeah, I think he shot on the two, not the 3.
You said T8.
I said 2.
Oh, you
1,
didn't
2.
say two.
I said 2. That was my bad.
Is it water? Oh, you want water?
Yeah. That's a trophy.
Yeah, man. You know, I couldn't be more proud than this.
That first day was a little tough. It was the accommodations, everything was perfect. It was so much fun, but the ducks just weren't flying, and you can't really make them fly. That's one thing the guides can't do. And then one of our ducks that we did kill, the eagle, had been watching, waiting for that thing to go down, and he took it. So you got to pay the tax man. But that was a great first day of hunting. You know, like I said, the numbers of ducks wasn't there, but just a good experience overall.
So, moving into day 2, you've got, we go to a place called the Boom Boom Room. You go out and you see 800 decoys, roughly to 800 to 1,000 decoys. But they've got the vortex spinner, they've got the pulsators, they've got the water kickers, they've got it all out there as well. David had his 2 kids in there. You know, they've got his daughter's boyfriend calling for us. It's a full family service. Okay.
There's about 2 more cans. This is like you got something. Dang on in. Oh, knocked out. Number 12. Missed at least 3 volleys of birds. Can I get an 11 and 3?
No, it's good. It's good.
11 was doing some smacking yesterday.
11 was holding its own down here on the right side of the plot.
Right there.
Watch the decoy.
Watch the decoys.
Yeah, I couldn't bring myself to shoot with them decoys right there, man.
He's down.
Yeah, he is.
Coming at it. Get ready for it.
Come now.
Just in case.
That ain't no ruddy.
Got him. There's some out of place of it, down. Huh?
Come out yard garden, didn't you?
Popped up in the decoys while ago.
We got grease killers down there. I just ain't seen him dive yet, and I just wondered.
Big D. Big D.
Hold on. He's gonna have one more swing in him. 21 to the right. I'll keep in mind that big fly. Hey, that's a spoonie, that's mine.
That's a Hollywood, pretty one.
Uh-huh.
You won't ever get him tomorrow, boy. Around and get him.
It's 100 yards.
Smack. Not even gonna wait. He go. Not even gonna wait.
In the bag. In the bag, boy.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
That's it. There's two going.
There's
That
two.
one went down.
Birdie.
I got him.
Yeah, you got it.
Nice shot.
That's a
Yeah, we got one in the grass. Oh, there's a single low. Single wounded. Coming right up. Where? We just hit that little tree over there. Who shot it?
completely wrong.
Maybe not today.
Takes down. Never loses.
Oh yeah.
Old shovel.
Somebody's dead,
All right, so this trip was booked through Guided Outdoors. You saw Matt and Zach and myself hunting. Now, what Guided Outdoors is we have a full website with guides in different states. They offer different amenities, different species to go after. You can go through and kind of look at available dates, prices, amenities, go in, select your dates, select where you want to go, and you can book you a hunt just like this on Reelfoot. We've got what you need. We've got what you're looking for. And if we don't have it, email us, DM us, call us, text us, write us a mail. I don't care. We'll find you somewhere to be that you want to go to.
If I had to give this hunt a score, I'd give it a solid 10 out of 10. You know, one thing we can't do and the guides can't do is make the ducks fly. They give you their effort, and you know what? The guide wants you to kill ducks, and they gave us the effort. That's all you can ask for. We ended up killing a good bit of ducks, but the ducks just haven't migrated as much. And you know, you go there in a couple weeks, and you may limit out within just a couple hours. But it was so much fun. The accommodations, the guide service, eating in the blind, that was just something new to me. I want to thank Blakely's Guide Service for taking care of us, and especially Guided Outdoors. They're a good group of guys. If you're looking to book you a hunting trip or a fishing trip, go check out their website. They can put it together for you. They have they're growing, and they're even so they're what they have on their website now is going to constantly be added to. And these guys, they appreciate the outdoors, and they appreciate getting people in the outdoors. So I recommend checking them out. And as a guy who's booked many hunting and fishing trips, it's easier just to go through somebody like Guided Outdoors and let them do the legwork and book it through them. And if you're a guide and you're wanting to think about advertising through them, check them out and they'll help you out. They'll help you with the advertising, brand creation, all that kind of stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun. 10-hour drive from Savannah, but we made it there and back all safe, and it was just so much fun. Hope you enjoyed it. If you would, hit that subscribe button. Till the next one, this has been the unofficial, no doubt incomplete guide, Georgia Outdoors.